Alright, so anywhere in the E minor pentatonic, this is a really cool trick. Okay. Okay, it's this little... Okay, so that was all the same lick, by the way. We've been focusing on our power zone right there, and I'm going to show you some stuff here in a little bit, and well, actually right now too. But the basic idea. So I'm playing the 12th fret on the G string right there. And then with one pick, I'm pulling off from the 14 to the 12. And that's a down pick. See that? And so I'm down pick, and then an up pick onto the 14th fret of the A string. Okay, same lick right here, 15th fret of the high E. Same exact move, except the only difference is on this G string here, it would be the 16th fret of the G string, but the move and the notes are the same. It's an octave higher. So what you want to do is when you're playing some of your licks and really improvising, see if you can add it in there when you're jamming. Okay, we haven't ventured into the A-rooted E minor pentatonic scale, but the lick, exact same licks, same key, everything. Would be middle finger. Once again, let's not look at it. Oh, it's peeking out. No, don't do that. Bad middle finger. Okay, so it is the 8th fret of the G string, 8th fret of the B string, same lick. Hear how that's the same note as this. Then that down pick pull off between the 9 and the 7 on the G string, and then the up pick on the 9 of the D string. What's really cool about this position is that you can double up on the 7th fret of the high E when you play that 8th fret on the B. Okay, so also it would be right here, 3rd fret, and it's actually the exact same move as up on the 15th fret, just an octave lower. So if you have this little box, you have the same box right here. And so the lick would start right there on the 3rd fret. all that same Rockstar bend stuff. Same move right here. Right? So hopefully that adds something a little, it's like little glue. You can glue together some of these ideas with throwing that in there as well. So hang tight, still got more coming your way. All right, so the next thing I want to talk about is this little bending sequence here. It sounds like this. Obviously lots of variations again that you can do with that. Here it is again. So I'm going to show you the other spots where that works really well. You got your standard G string bend on the 14th fret, which we've been doing a lot. Right? All that stuff. Well, you always have a whole step up and bending that. And what we want to do is actually try and bend it all the way up to this. That minor third distance. And the last little phrase, I'm bending that 14th fret up a whole step, and then it's coming back down, natural. Beep, beep, down, vibrato. Okay, now check it out. In the A rooted position of that E minor pentatonic, you've got that same bend, which would be right here on the 10th fret of the B string. So then that would mean going up to the 12th fret and bending it to this pitch. Here's what's really cool about this particular spot. When you're bending the 10th fret of the B string right there, you have the 10th fret of the high E that can be, you can just hold it, or you can do the notes separately. It's just there if you want it. Same spot would be right here on the 5th fret of the high E. And then you'd also have this G string bend on the 2nd fret. It's all the same notes. So I'm bending that G string with my middle finger, really digging in with the tip of my finger right there. Right? You do the same thing, up a whole step. You might have to get your ring finger and your other fingers behind it to get that, but you could try with your middle finger. Same lick. And then also that 17th fret on the high E. Alright, so try all of those out and see what you can do with it. I've always had a lot of fun with those particular bends, and you can repeat them over and over. They're one of the more commonly used little threads in the soloing vibe that we've been working on. So, hang tight, got even more coming.